Victory is within our grasp.
Should I show you my secret weapon? It's not my fault if you get hurt.
You do not understand. It's time for the finale of this little puppet show.
I'm with you.
Victory is mine. Don't take your eyes off me! You're not scared, are you?
I thought I told you.
Get out of my sight!
Wait, who's that?
Don't worry, I'm here. Take note for future reference. This is what a perfect cut looks like.
Only when all are dead will this end. A crack.
Stay I fight with the power of all.
No one can escape. You can't go back. Who's next?
Get rid of them. I've got a present for you. You know who sent it, right?
Just skin and bones. Don't be sad about goodbye, because this was all for you.
Careful not to get a sunburn. Hurry up, Aloha! Hurry, hurry! Our guests are about to arrive!
I think you'll regret this. It's nothing personal. Just business.
I won't lose. A meat and seafood buffet? I won't say no to that!
You punks aren't worth my time.
Yukine, how are you here? I won't go easy, even on you.
What a hassle. It's fully charged. Let me show you our secret weapon. You're not going anywhere. Would you like to feel what I'm feeling? Hide all you want. I still hear you breathing.
Oh, stay away from me! Right in the nick of time!
Kitchen! I told you, this is mine!
You're not bad.
I'll begin.
Fertilizer.
Miserable creature. I will show you grace by granting you death.
I'm so thirsty lately.
I just want to go home.
Let's just get this over with.
Your princess is worn out.